welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to show you the easiest way how you can make delicious scrambled eggs. Yes, and we are going to be using very simple ingredients as you're going to see in the video. So I'm just going to use two basic ingredients: onion, tomato, and of course our eggs, and we are going to make a very delicious scrambled egg. So if it's your first time coming across this channel, my name is Ruth Ombogo. Please consider subscribing if you love the content, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. For this recipe, we are going to use very simple ingredients. We have one garlic clove because I love the flavor of garlic. I have 2 eggs. I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I have 1 medium-sized red onion. You can use white onion if you got it. I have red onion, and then on this side I have cooking oil and I have salt to taste. That's all you're gonna need for these scrambled eggs. So I'm just going to chop these ingredients and then let's get to the video. So all our ingredients are ready. I got my chopped onion, I got garlic, I got the garnish, I got tomatoes, and I have my 2 eggs. I'm just going to whisk this with a fork a little bit. And that's about it. Now they are ready, and let's start cooking. Our scrambled eggs are ready, and then we are just going to serve them on the plates. So let's do that. and here is the end results. Our eggs are ready. Look at how delicious they look, and I can't wait to dig in and just have fun. So this is a very simple recipe, and you should go ahead and try it, and it works perfectly with toast or rice, and you can make this basically any time of day and enjoy it as well. Okay, my eggs are here and they look so good, so let's do some tasting. Really good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to do the good stuff, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because more content is coming, just that content, and you don't want to miss out on that. Until next time, bye bye.